Hi, it's Andrew Busch, and this is your Busch Update video blog for January 18th. I'm standing outside the New York Stock Exchange this week because it's been a hell of a week for stocks, as the Nikkei and the New York Stock Exchange S&P 500 both finished at their 52-week highs. As an example, even the Shanghai index finished at a major high and is up 18% since January 3rd. One of the things that's been crazy this week is the volatility in the currency markets. Obviously, with the comments from the economics minister in Japan saying that the yen's move was a bit excessive, and then recanting that the next day, we saw the dollar-yen move from 90 down to 88, back up to 90. That was pretty crazy. But we also had comments from the EU's Juncker saying that the euro is excessively high. I'm not sure if he was referring back to his days in high school or not, but the fact is that European politicians are finally waking up to the fact that their currency is way too strong. So we're going to see additional volatility on that, and it added to a lot of the sell-off in the euro and euro-yen this week. But looking into next week, we've got a lot of crazy things that are happening. We've got a Bank of Japan meeting that's going to be critical to see if they actually follow up on Abe government's push to weaken the yen. There's already leaks out about what they're going to do as far as the amount of stimulus, unending, somewhat similar to the United States Federal Reserve. We're also going to get a Bank of Canada meeting that people will look to see if they'll back down some of their hawkish comments that have been coming out, or part of their hawkish statement. And finally, we're going to get the flash PMI data out of China, which is my favorite piece of data, and I think will show a little bit of softening of the mood towards the risk-on that we've seen over the last couple of weeks. The biggest weakness has been in Aussie and Kiwi, and I think that's reflective of their softer economic numbers, which, of course, they're very closely tied to China. And so I think they're really telling us that there's some softness in the Chinese data that's not being reflected by what's been going on in the releases. And that's it for me, Andrew Busch. Have a good weekend. Thanks.